If you want to see how I achieve this soft, clean girl everyday makeup, then keep on watching. I'm gonna start off with the freshly cleaned face and well moisturized. I'm going to spray using the Mario Badescu rose water spray. Spray it all over on my face to hydrate my face once again. I'm going to allow that to sit and going over with a glow spray. I'm going to spray that to give my face a bit of glow underneath my makeup. And next I'm going to be using a foundation on my face, and I'm placing that in the areas of my face where I want coverage, and I'm going to lightly press that in, and I'm using a damp beauty sponge on my face because I'm going for a really soft makeup look, and we don't want like a full coverage beat or a full beat. This is a really soft everyday beat and yet make it clean. So I'm going to use a beauty sponge to blend that out because using a beauty sponge gives you more like a skin-like effect or a skin-like look. Next I'm going to use a concealer, and I'm placing the concealer in the areas of my face where I would usually highlight the bridge of my nose, my forehead, underneath my eye, and I'm going to blend that using the same beauty sponge I used earlier. For cream blush, I'm going to use this orange blush shade, tapping off the excess blush at the back of my hand, and I'm going to place the cream blush in the areas of my face, my cheekbone area where I usually place blush, and I'm going to blend that using the brush. I'm bringing the blush towards the apples of my cheek to give me like a sun-kissed effect. Going in with the second layer of concealer, I'm going to place the concealer underneath my eye just to give my under eye a brightened look, and I'm going to blend that out using the same beauty sponge I used earlier. I'm spreading it only in my under eye area. I'm not bringing it down all the way down towards my cheek area or the apples of my cheek. I'm going to quickly set that in place, and I'm using a finishing powder from Akpolo and also using a powder brush to set that in place. So I'm going to lightly press the powder underneath my eye so the concealer does not move, and it gives me like a smooth transition area underneath my eye. And next, to contour, I'm going to use a powder contour to contour the areas of my face where I would usually contour. This is more like a bronzy shade, and I'm going to contour the hollows of my face, my forehead area, and my nose, because I did not use any form of frame contour or anything. So I love using a powder to contour or to bronze, especially if you want like a soft contour or soft bronzy look on your makeup. This would give you that. And to set the areas of my face, to take off the harsh lines, I'm going to use a powder from Maybelline. This is their Maybelline Fit Me Loose powder, and I'm going to blend the areas of my face where I did not apply any product, just to set my foundation so it does not move, and set between the contour and the highlight, or the bronzer and the highlight, so to take off the harsh lines. To set the cream blush, I'm going to use this orange powder shade from the Zickel palette, and I'm going to lightly press the blush in the areas of my face where I applied cream blush to set it so it does not move, and I'm going to blend that right away. To bake my under eye area, I'm going to use this translucent powder from Akpolo. And guys, this powder, I rave about this powder. It is finely milled, so good, very lightweight under the eye, doesn't give any form of flashback or anything, and I love it especially for my under eye area to bake. And for eyeshadow today, I'm going to use the Morphe 35M Boss Smooth palette, and I'm going to take the darkest shade to create like a winged liner or something on my eye, and to give me the illusion of winged liner, and I'm going to blend it. Go back into the eyeshadow palette to use another deeper shade to intensify the winged liner. Next, to set the concealer, I'm going to use the Focalo ever-changing palette, and I'm going to use this flesh tone neutral tone shade to set my eyelids so it intensifies and diffuses the winged liner so it doesn't look too harsh. And now we're done with the eyes, and I'm going to quickly use a mascara to coat my lashes, and I'm using the Maybelline mascara to coat my lashes because, guys, this mascara, I can't tell you guys enough how much this mascara makes me feel. Like, this mascara is the bomb, is everything. I'm going to quickly dust off the excess powder underneath my eye because we didn't have any form of eyeshadow fallout on my under eye area, so I'm going to press the powder into my skin. I'm also going to use a highlighter to place in the areas of my face where I want to highlight my cheekbone area, the bridge of my nose, just to give me a bit of glow in that area. Nothing serious, or not make it really intense or whatever. I'm lining my lip using the brown pencil. Next, I'm going to use a nude lipstick that is similar or close to my lip shade, and I also go in with a lip gloss similar to the lip shade we used. And guys, for the look, we're not going to skip that. I'm going to use a blotting powder from Black Opal to blot the areas of my face where I usually produce oil during the day. The apples of my cheek where I have large pores, my nose, my chin area, as well as my forehead, and also the sides of my face where I tend to produce oil. Just setting every part of my face so I don't produce oil during the day. And guys, this is the finished look. Look at how subtle this look is, yet very clean and gorgeous. I hope you enjoyed this video, and make sure to hit the subscribe button and also give this video a huge thumbs up if you like it. Check out my other videos to stay connected. Bye guys.